who doesn't love a great design, right? The raw objects rarely give us that aesthetic spark. When we actually can look at beautiful things, why do we care? Like, why do we want to look at these uninteresting things? Well, design is not just about looking beautiful, or it's not just about beautiful things. It's a lot more than that. We might not actually realize it, but design and beautiful things actually play a massive or really important role in our daily lives. Just imagine you're having a really bad mood or a really bad day. Then you go out and you see a very beautiful place with great designs, and your mood is at that instant uplifted. And that's exactly what a good design does. Well, welcome to today's episode of KaleidoTalks by KMCT, the official podcast series of KMCT Group of Institutions. And I am your host for today, Anamika K. Rajesh, final year MBBS student of 2022 batch. Today's episode of KaleidoTalks, it's pretty interesting because we are going to talk design not just as an educational possibility but also as a career perspective. And today we are joined by a very special guest, Rishad, assistant professor of KMCT School of Design. It's a pleasure to have you, sir,
Thank you.
Welcome to this episode. Shall we begin with the questions?
Sure.
There's always this classic debate between art versus design. So, in your own words, could you please draw a line between these two, especially when it comes to solving real-world problems?
So we cannot draw a line in between art and design. Art is all about someone's perspective or their emotions. But when it comes to design, it's about solving a problem, finding a solution for a problem. Like design is everywhere. Like even if you look at the dress you wear every day, or if you're seeing a logo, or what do you call it, like everyday life, we are using a lot of applications. So when it comes to design, like they are solving a problem through all these solutions, like applications or like the dress we wear or whatever, like we see in our daily life, even if it's a clock or something. So art doesn't need to solve a problem. It makes someone feel or like make them think. But design should be a solution for a problem always.
So, as of now, the world is fully focused on technology and innovation right now.
Mm-hmm.
So, how do you think design is becoming one of the most essential skills in this current landscape?
Yeah, so design became a trend in these days, like in every industry is hiring designers. A designer's job is not to make things beautiful or artistic, but a designer is finding a lot of problems through research, studies, like they see things differently, and they see a lot of bad examples for a design, like whatever they had in their past, and they are researching about new problems, and at the end, like they are finding a solution for the problem that they have identified. That's why, like designers are hiring, like that's why designers are hired like in every industry these days, because every industry became a design industry these days, because everyone is like looking at problems and new innovations. So designers are like doing all this research about the problems, and then they are finding the solutions.
Speaking of technology and innovation, we know that AI is everywhere right now. So, how are these newly emerging AI tools changing the day-to-day role of these designers, and how exactly is it impacting the role of these future designers?
So when it comes to design education, I would like to go a bit back when computers are released. So when computers came, people were like they were like so scared about computers, like should I miss technology like in my field, or like I should learn computer, and then they were scared about losing their jobs or something like that. So the same situation happened like when computers got released. So I would like to say AI is also a tool which enhance like someone's skill. So when it comes to designers, AI is just a tool In design education, I would suggest to teach them design thinking, not tools. I would like to go a bit back when computers got released. People were like, very scared about losing their job. So computer can do a lot of jobs. But we understood computer is making your life easy. AI is like, more like that era. So people are like, scared about losing their jobs, or, AI will be a villain to them. But AI is actually a tool like to skill up.
So, any student who is trying to get into design would be wondering about their career options. So, what exactly are the opportunities that are available for them right now? And what essential skill do you think they require so that they can actually stand out from the crowd?
Opportunities for designers like are very bigger these days. You can look at any fields like that is emerging with technology. So and when it comes to the skills, I would say curious people, like I don't want to say students, but curious people always find a way to learn new things, and uh, whatever technologies are like coming into the field. So I would say curiosity is the most relevant skill that a student. So after curiosity, like they should have a portfolio with them, whatever they have learned, whatever they have done in their learning process. So when we say design, people often think it's just graphic design or interior design. But when you look at the field, you can see design everywhere. Like when it comes to your application, there is a UI/UX designer, like who designed the interface, who designed the experience. When it comes to a system, there is a system design who designed these hierarchies and everything. When it comes to architecture, there will be an interior designer or a architect who is drawing all these things, and there will be a furniture designer. So everything, like whatever you see in this era, you see a designer's role there.
So we now know that design applies everywhere. So looking at KMCT's multidisciplinary approach, how does KMCT School of Design helps the students to transform creativity into impactful solutions, professional careers, and meaningful innovations?
So you told that already. One of our main strength is our transdisciplinary environment. We have medical, we have law, we have business, we have management, to their arts and science courses, everything. Like we have like every fields that. So one of our biggest strength is our transdisciplinary environment. We are not producing designers in KMCT School of Design. We let them explore with real world problems. We encourage them to research, experiment, because we have every streams in education. We have medical school. From there we have arts and science. We have business. We have management. We have law. So we let our designers, our design students, to explore the real world problems with all these institutions, and we let them to go for the real world works. Like we collaborate with industries, we encourage to do the research. So when you visit our design school, you can see plenty of opportunities. Like we provide for students, like photo studio, 3D printing studio, furniture studio, and when it comes to products, like they can make an experiment on products. That's why we call it finest design school in Kerala.
So that was a really interesting conversation, sir. Thank you for being with us. And I am pretty much sure that none of us might have been aware of the fact that a lot of things, lot of thought process goes into these small everyday things that we actually take for granted. Thank you so much for taking your time and coming here and explaining everything in such a detail. And to everyone watching and listening, thank you for tuning into this show of KaleidoTalks by KMCT. If you find this helpful and if you really like this video, then please do like and share it with a friend who might find it beneficial. So for now, I'm signing off. Goodbye and take care.